Dear students, I am Santan, working as a physics faculty in Target English Medium School. Today, in this part video, I would like to explain about what is a constellation and what is a pole star and how we can understand the position of the pole star with help of a simple activity. So the topics mostly we discussed in this part video from the chapter of star and the solar system. Okay, in 8th standard level according to our state syllabus. Anyway, in our previous video in the same chapter, we clearly discussed what is the eclipse, how many types of eclipses are there, what are that one, that is solar and lunar, how many types are there, we clearly discussing that. Now let me come to our topic. Constellations. So what is the constellation means? Generally during the night time in the sky, when you are carefully observing some of the days, a group of stars appears like human being and animal being shapes. That is simply we are called constellations. Actually, so okay, we are discussing that concept mainly in the means in our daily life. Everyone will be get that one. So in the horoscope, that is nothing but zodiac signs. You know that Leo, Libra, Virgin, okay, Capricorn, Cancer. This type of all the number of nearly 12 zodiac signs are there. Okay, that's why when a person is born at that time, what is its zodiac sign? At what date he born? Based on that one, this astrologist says the which one, what is their future in their life, like that type of one. So that's why constellation is nothing but a group of stars in the sky appears like some human being and animal being shapes. That is called constellation. A group of stars in the sky appears in different shapes like human being, or animal being. Sorry, not or and animal being is called constellations. So a group of stars in the sky appears in different shapes like human being and animal being is called constellations. Nearly 88 constellations are found by the scientists till now. So nearly 88 constellations are found till now by the scientists. So among the 88, some of the important thing to discuss in this time. So listen very carefully. Constellation is nothing but a group of stars in the sky. Sometimes if we are observing carefully, the group of the stars means not all the stars. Okay, a little bit group of the stars, maybe 6, 7, 8, 5 stars like that one. They appears one type of particular shape. That shape is maybe either a human being or animal being. That type of one simply we are called, what is that one? Constellations. Okay, the constellations simply, so we are called zodiac signs also. But nearly how many constellations are found by the scientists? 88 constellations are found. Among this one, 12 we are using the zodiac signs. Among these 88 constellations, which are the major constellations we discussed? Great Bear. It is one of the constellation. It has a group of 7 stars. Listen very carefully. So Great Bear is one of the constellation among the 88 constellation found by the scientists. It has a group of how many stars? 7 stars. It is also called in our language. Okay. Saptarushi. It is also called which one? Saptarushi. So the Great Bear were also called as what is the Saptarushi in our mother tongue. So generally the Great Bear is having which type of shape? Means it is a bluff shape. Okay. So the shape of the Great Bear it is the pole star. So this is the way. So it is the shape of the which one? Okay, Great Bear. The Great Bear it just like appears as a fluff. The farmers are used for the agriculture field purpose. Fluff is there like this. That mode it will be appears through. So listen very carefully. Great Bear is one of the major constellation found by the scientists. It will be has how many stars? It is a group of 7 stars. It is called in our mother tongue Saptarushi. And what is the shape of the Great Bear? Means like clock. This is the shape of the Great Bear. So with respect to the pole star, every constellation you must be respect with the which one? Pole star. In reference with the pole star. Next, second one is Cassiopeia. It has a group of 6 stars. It has a group of how many stars? 6 stars. It is also called in our mother tongue. It is also called Sharmista. It is also called, what is that one? Sharmista. It is appeared like M shape. In English alphabet, M is there. Like the M shape, which one is appeared? Cassiopeia. So it is the one of the important constellation we can find easily from the surface of the earth in the sky. So Cassiopeia has how many stars it will be contain? 6 stars. It is also called Shermi star. It is appeared like which shape? M shape. Now the shape of the Cassiopeia. Shape of the Cassiopeia. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's right. What is the shape of the Cassiopeia? It is the shape of which one? Okay, M shape is there. So like leave this one. Its shape is M shape. So by seeing this one carefully, you can draw the diagram because of sometimes they are asking that. So draw the shape of the Cassiopeia, draw the shape or draw the shape of Great Bear. Some other two are there. Okay, third one, Orion. Fourth one, Leo. In our mother tongue, we are called Simharashi. And fifth one, Small Bear. Okay, so many are there. Listen very carefully. So totally, how many constellations are found by the scientists? 88 constellations. Among that one, some of the constellations we can able to see very easily. And what are that one means? I write here 5. So what is that one? Great Bear, Cassiopeia, Orion, Leo, and Small Bear. Great Bear will be having the 7 stars. It is appeared like a fluffs, and it is also called Sapta Rishi. Cassiopeia is also called Shermi star. It has a group of 6 stars. So every constellation you must be use the pole star is used as a reference. With help of that one we can draw the line. They appear one particular shape. Next one, Leo. It is called Simharasi. Small Bear, like this one. But they have a group of number of stars, not like 6, 7. It is a group of number of stars are there. So it is a brief idea about the which one constellation. But further, among these 88 constellations, our astrologists, are used for the purpose of horoscope. Mainly 12 zodiac signs are there. Zodiac signs are used by the astrologists for telling the future of the persons based on date of birth, like that one in our pole star. Pole star is a star in the sky. Pole star is a star in the sky. It is located Which one? Pole star. Pole star is located on the axis of Earth rotation. Earth rotation around its. Listen very carefully. So pole star is a star. It is in the sky. It is located on the axis of Earth rotation around its. Means simply opposite. The position of the pole star, the position of the pole star appears the position of the pole star does not change. Like that mode it is appears. But what about the remaining star? Other stars is also they are in same position. They are not in the motion. Means other star position is also does not change. But when a person from the surface of the earth will be see the sky, the stars will be appears. They will be moved from their position except the pole star. Why? Because of the pole star is present on the axis of which one? Earth rotation. So means generally earth is like this one. Is there? This is the shape of the earth. So now in this one, this is called axis of rotation of the earth. Okay. So that's why pole star will be located exactly there. This is the pole star. When the earth is rotated about one imaginary axis, this is called axis of rotation. The earth is rotated about the imaginary axis continuously, but the pole star is present exactly on the imaginary axis. That's why even though you are in the motion on the earth along with its, but the position of the pole star is appears does not change. So that's why for understanding of this one, I will explain one simple activity to you for understanding. And one more thing, the Great Wave Cassiopeia, they are appears to us where in the northern sky. In the northern sky, we clearly see the which one? Great Wave and Cassiopeia. Okay. Activity about pole star. Umbrella, so to conduct this activity you can do this activity. So we want mainly two materials. One is the umbrella, another one is 10 to 15 papers cut into the star shape. And among this one paper star is coated with different colors other than, for example, 15 papers are cut into the star shape. Among the 15, one is painted with different color than the remaining 14. It is the umbrella. That is we know that very clearly. Here this one you are considered. Just it is a little idea only. So it is a metallic straight rod is there. For this one, okay, this umbrella is the shape. We know that very clearly. Okay. So these lines are represented the spokes. Okay. These are represented which one? Spokes. We know that it has the spokes are there, and it is the midpoint. Now, so okay, what are the papers you have taken that? Okay, so I says that one paper will be painted with a different color than the other. That one you fixed it at the middle with the help of the glue or anyone. And remaining paper stars you fixed at each and every spoke inside the umbrella. After that one, the metallic rod of the umbrella hold in your hand and slowly rotate the umbrella with the help of your hand. When you can rotate the umbrella, you are observing that the stars which are fixed at the spoke end of the spokes, okay, each end of the spoke, so they are start the rotation. But so the star which is fixed at the mid of the umbrella, so that is same position. Here when you can rotate the umbrella, so the stars fixed at the which one spokes, they are changing their position, but the middle position does not change. That's why because of means, so this star is exactly present on the axis of rotation of the umbrella. Like the same way, so pole star is also located exactly on the axis of earth rotation. Due to that one, so pole star position appears does not change, but other pole stars will appears to change because of you are in the motion on the earth. That is one. So this is a brief idea about what is the constellation and what is the pole star. Why the pole star position does not change, appears to does not change and compared to other one. Thank you.